So, I may or may not have pissed off a couple YouTube producers. Let me explain. So I was on YouTube about a day or two ago, and I stumbled across a YouTube producer who uploaded a music video. Now this was different because YouTube producers usually upload their beats maybe once a day or a couple days out of the week on YouTube. Now when they upload, all it is a beat or a song. That's their entire upload schedule. So you never get to see their face in the video because it's just a beat. So when I stumbled across this video by this YouTube producer who I've been listening to for about over a year now, I was shocked. I was like, I finally get to see what this dude looks like. Nice. So I clicked on it. Now, to me, it's interesting. If you ask them, they'd probably be like, why do you care about what I look like? Why don't you just appreciate the music and all that? Nigga, I just want to see what you look like, okay? So, I clicked on the video. I'm expecting the music to be good because from the other YouTube producers that I've heard rap, they're usually pretty good. So, I checked it. The video was good. The video was great, actually. The song was really good. The beat that he used was by another producer, but that was good. Everything was great. The video was great. The song was great. What caught me off guard is the way that he looked. Bruh. So that was the main reason I clicked it, to see what he looked like. And it definitely threw me off guard. I dropped a comment. I gotta find the comment. On EemTriplin's music video, I said, bruh, I imagine all producers are scrawny nerds living in a mom's basement. I'm shook by this. Fire emoji. First reply said, offensive as fuck, bro. Second reply says, are you serious? And my personal favorite YouTube producer, Mathiastyner, replied, question mark. Fuck. I thought everybody thought this. I thought everybody just envisioned in their head, YouTube producers are just nerds sitting in their mom's basement. Because look, let me tell you where I was coming from, okay? So, people who make beats probably spend a lot of time at their computer. I'd assume if you're gonna perfect a craft, you probably spend a lot of time doing it. So if you spend a lot of time at a computer, in my head, you might be a nerd. Now, here's the exception to the rule. YouTubers spend a lot of time on a computer. I edit all my videos, so I spend a lot of time on my computer. Plus, I have a business on the side, so I spend even more time on a computer. Here's why it's different. I already show my face on camera. So it's a little different there. When I know that somebody's spending a lot of time on a computer, and they don't show their face on camera, my first thought is, you're a nerd. I get it. I know it's offensive, that's racist, I'm just assuming stuff. I'm sorry. So, to make up for it, guys, I dropped a diss track on myself. Here it is. I hope you enjoy it. This beat right here sound like something the jellyfish from Bikini Bottom would vibe to. That's all I gotta say about that. Okay, yeah, I said you put in all them hours while the competition sleep. I don't got the patience to arrange the melodies. I thought these producers looked like losers, now I see. They get Insta models every time they drop a beat. Hey, run it back, shawty bout to run it back. If she hear them 808, she gon' fall in love with that. Ooh, yes indeed, chop the beat like Japanese. Shout out to Mathias, mix the fire with the recipe. Catapult, let me check your catalog. I should start producing, we know independent rappers broke. Hey, that's a fact, I know y'all been had the bag. Triplin got the calamari, I'm still eating apple jacks. Look, okay, low balance, my bank set. Can't even buy instrumentals, my budget like 28 cents. Been rapping like 5 years, man, it don't even make sense. I got less buzz than a baby bumblebee in a playpen. Oh god, yo, Windxws on the BAONG, I'm finna lose it. My own girlfriend don't even listen to my music. Trying to make a name is too confusing. Maybe I should give up rapping and just look into producing. I don't know. Shout out Mathiastyner for that beat. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you didn't, drop a dislike. If you hate me for this video, drop a comment. Tell me how much you hate me. I love you. I hope you have a great day. I'm uploading tomorrow. Catch you in the next video. Peace. Bitch, I am up like insomnia. I got my commas up. I don't fuck with none of that drama. Just miss me with that bullshit. Really, I've been above it. She bout to give me them buns. She pulling them out the oven, but